From this video, you will get tips to prepare for SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition C_S4 CPB_2408 exam and share practice exam to test online. Understanding the C_S4 CPB_2408 exam. C_S4 CPB_2408 exam information. Exam topics and weightage. Preparation tips for good studying. One. Which of the following activities are completed in the realize phase of the SAP Activate methodology? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Demonstrate where to find business process documentation. B. Gather perceived change impact feedback. C. Set up manual test cases in SAP Cloud OM. D. Enter configuration values in SAP Central Business Configuration. Answer: C. D. 2. After integration requirements have been finalized, what is used to analyze, design, and document the integration strategy? A. SAP Business Accelerator Hub. B. SAP Cloud OM Requirements App. C. Integration Solution Advisory Methodology. D. Integration and API List. Answer: C. 3. What can you do with the SAP For Me mobile app? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Download learning content from SAP Learning Hub. B. Access the SAP One Support Launchpad. C. Interact with SAP easily. D. Get full transparency into your SAP product portfolio. Answer: C. D. 4. Which of the following are captured in a completed digital discovery assessment? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. SAP Fiori application extensions. B. Known integration requirements. C. Target customer go live date. D. Business role requirements. Answer: B. D. 5. What defines the organizational entities that are required in SAP Central Business Configuration? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. The selected deployment target. B. The selected scope. C. Added partner content. D. System consistency checks. Answer: B. D. 6. What are some characteristics of public cloud? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Perpetual license. B. Multi-tenant server. C. Software installation on customer site. D. Lower total cost of ownership. Answer: B. D. 7. Based on the SAP Activate methodology, which activities must you perform in the Explore phase? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Use the test system to demonstrate SAP best practice processes. B. Conduct the digital discovery assessment to identify extension requirements. C. Define the organizational structure and chart of accounts. D. Conduct the fit to standard analysis to gather configuration values. Answer: AD. 8. What do you use to collect the values that are entered into the configuration activities in SAP Central Business Configuration? A. SAP Cloud Processes app. B. Business-driven configuration questionnaire. C. SAP Cloud Requirements app. D. Availability and dependencies of solution processes Excel. Answer: B. 9. What must you create when you build an integration scenario using the SAP Fiori Communication Management apps in SAP S, S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. A. Communication interface. B. Communication system. C. Communication arrangement. D. Communication API. Answer: B. C. 10. Through which component do you access your assigned process tasks from the SAP Activate roadmap of SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition 3 System Landscape? A. SAP Cloud for implementation. B. SAP Central Business Configuration. C. SAP Cloud for operations. D. SAP Cloud for service. Answer: B. Subscribe and like past question.